Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions and become a member to support our work directly. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. And as always, enjoy the video. On January 12, 2023, officers with the Webster Police Department were on patrol when they noticed a car taking evasive actions to avoid them. The officers ran the plate, and it came back to an owner with a history of meth use. A traffic stop was initiated after other officers witnessed what appeared to be a drug deal, and for some reason the two suspects pulled over shortly after the red and blue light came on.
You mind stepping out of the vehicle for me? Is there a reason why you slow rolled? Step out for me. Step out for me. Turn to face the car for me. Step out.
Okay.
Here. Turn and face the car. I'm just going to detain you for right now, okay?
Alright.
So why didn't you stop as soon as I lit you up?
Well, I wanted to get off the main section. I was like, you know, get nervous. So just, oh shit, let me get off the main road.
I got you.
That's all.
What's your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
Stoner.
Stoner. You got your ID on you?
Yes, it's in the car.
In the car.
That's on me.
What's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden?
You said your ID is in your purse?
Jaden what?
Yes, it's in my backpack. Or no, it's in my purse.
Is it in a wallet?
Yes.
Is it okay if I get it?
That's fine.
It's in your backpack?
No, it's in my purse.
So you have a wallet in your purse and your ID is in your wallet?
My ID's in my wallet. That's
Okay.
in my purse.
All right. So it's all right if I get your ID out of there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What's your name?
Elizabeth Stoner.
I was gonna grab her ID.
Okay, go ahead. So the reason for the stop originally was because she had some warrants. Did you realize that?
I do not know that.
So you got some Class E tickets. It's not a big deal, but that's the reason for the stop, okay? Is there insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah.
What's the insurance?
Insurance is in the center console. It's in a red folder.
Okay. Is there anything...
Can I grab it for you?
Just stay right there for me. Is there any guns, weapons, anything like that inside the vehicle?
No, nothing like that. No. I don't have no guns, nothing like that.
That's like that. Well, I saw the knife sheath.
Knife, yes.
Yeah, I saw that sheath in there when I got you out. That's another reason I wanted you to get out
I've been
too,
jumped a
okay?
couple times and I just get scared, man.
Hey, I understand. Is there any...
It's for the bad people.
Hey, I understand 100%. Is there anything illegal inside the vehicle?
Not to my knowledge.
Not to your knowledge?
She's also showing to have 2 sets out of Clear Lake Shores.
Who ate it? Look, I don't want nobody overdosing on me.
I'm needing it.
Huh?
Only thing I ate is Taco Bell inside.
DL.
Yeah, use my phone.
Not right now. So there's nothing legal in the vehicle? That's your knowledge? None of y'all's knowledge? You mind me taking a look through your vehicle, Mr. Coffee?
Really got some more steam, man.
I understand. Well, you got to see how... There's a baggie, a fresh baggie laying right there. There's a baggie sitting in the front seat that's been ripped open.
There is?
Your
Yeah.
number's going to be clear.
Clear. This bag is all over the place out here. I wasn't aware of any bags inside the vehicle.
Yeah, there's a clear baggie that just like the baggie I found right there on the floor.
All right, where at?
Literally in the front floorboard.
Right.
So you ain't got nothing on you? Turn to face my car.
Cool.
You mind if I go in your pockets?
No, go on.
Come over here.
Party 3, clear to copy return.
Go ahead.
DL is eligible, expires 2025. Also has an ID card, expires 2023. Male is also out on bond. In-house shows multiple arrests for POS PG1, and then just possession of drug paraphernalia. There's no one.
You set that back in there, okay?
Yes, sir.
You go right here to this front unit. Have a seat for me. Look, man. Did you swallow anything?
No.
You just took no drugs? Because I don't want to get you there, man, and you start freaking out.
Party 3.
I am freaking out, man, but I didn't take no drugs, man.
That male with last
better,
name of
man. I'm
copy is going to have
nothing like that, man.
I understand.
Hey, I'm on bond, man, and
last name spelling.
I understand.
I'm gonna lose my house if you take me in, man.
I
got
just
people
sit
moving
back
out
and-
right now. I'm trying to get away from all this, man.
I understand 100%, man. I've been
I
there.
didn't know.
I understand. If you knew, you probably would have ate it, man.
No, I wouldn't have ate it. I wouldn't have been in the car.
I got you. Slip back for me. I'll be right back with you. 83, 87. If you're not tied up, you mind responding out here for a female? Here, stand right here for me.
Stand by.
83. Hey, take a look in the center console for me real quick. I think I know what it is, but... You ain't got nothing on you?
I have my vape in my pocket here, and then my phone and a battery pack charger in my back pocket.
Party 3.
Is that what I think it is?
I've seen it before. I can't remember what it is.
Is it a stone?
Yeah, it looks like quartz.
I wasn't sure if it was that or a big shard of meth.
Comes in our Party 3.
But he's about a 50-pound pit bull mix, and he is not. He's aggressive. Animal control's not
Good?
on the phone.
Yes, sir.
I'll make sure you're all right.
Thought I'd let you know.
Well, I can call somebody with my cell phone, let them know what's going on.
Is your cell phone in there?
Something hood.
It's on the hood. Is there any property in the vehicle that you want? Besides your cell phone?
10:30.
Nothing really. I mean,
I'm sure y'all have, keep trying to contact the phone call.
I don't know.
If it's an aggressive dog, we can't handle it.
I just need to make a phone call or something. I mean, I like to know what tow yard it's going to so that
Yeah.
all people might be able to get it out. I mean,
Yeah,
I'm gonna lose my home now. You know, I'm gonna lose my house behind that shit.
I get
I
it.
already had a bunch of titties moving out of it, man, and I was hoping after they moved out, everything would be good. I was actually gonna go back there right now, and
I understand, man. We can't be messing around with dope.
man, I just got off 6 years sober, bro.
There's dope in
6
the car.
years.
There's dope in the car.
I know, man, but I didn't know there was any in the car. But I didn't.
But nah, all the information where it's gonna be at, it's gonna be in your property, okay?
All right, man.
And once you get you fully booked in, we'll give you a phone call, okay?
I can't use my phone.
Not here. Yeah, at the jail you can.
I can use that. I don't have no phone numbers or nothing, man.
No. So we'll let you use your cell phone and get whatever numbers you need. What's over your cuffs?
Huh?
What's over your cuffs?
I keep wiggling around and keep tightening, man.
Here, why don't you step out and I'll fix them. Here, face it on. You're not gonna run him, are you?
Yes, sir.
If you do, I'm gonna body slam you.
I know. That's fine.
Yeah.
Is that better? On this one?
A little bit, yeah.
That brown bag that had your wallet in it, that you had that officer grab your wallet out of, had a little bag of meth.
This one's getting caught on your bracelet. How's that one? Is that alright? You should. That looks pretty loose. Let me make sure it's locked. Alright, go have a seat, man.
10:30, you got a test yet?
Take some light.
Yeah.
Just watch your head, alright? Can we roll this window down for you?
Please.
Alright.
Hey, is there any way I can say goodbye to her before she goes?
That's not up to
I'm not
me.
gonna see her for a year.
It's not up to me, man.
You ask him?
Yeah, I'll ask him. Let me roll the window down for you.
That brown bag that had your wallet in it, that you had that officer grab your wallet out of, had a little bag of meth in it.
The brown wallet, I don't have a brown wallet.
Sam 30, you got a test kit? Is it a black wallet? The brown purse that your wallet was in. That
Had a bag of meth in it? Where? I
in
mean,
the side pocket?
there's no way.
Yeah.
Honestly, I would have.
A little bit of meth. Yes, honestly, if you would have known, you would have chunked it out. You know, yes.
No, I would have told you ahead of time because.
Because I mean, that is meth. So, you ain't got nothing in, no body cavities, no. You didn't take any, you didn't swallow nothing, you didn't eat any of it, because you're going to go to jail.
I know that.
And if you ate as much as I think was in that bag, you're going to need to get your stomach pumped.
I didn't eat anything.
Okay. Come have a seat over here.
Charles David 0
Doing all right?
5 Henry
What did you do in this situation, Lee?
Sam Frank Sam.
Well, just in case y'all swallow some, I'm going to check on you.
No, Lenny 12 nothing, man. But hey,
Okay.
hey,
How old are you, Green?
you don't. Nah, I ain't.
All right.
Just want some water.
The caller also advised the female is a friend of his.
All I got is energy drinks.
Hey, that'll work. You got one of them?
Man,
Trust me, all I want to do.
I can't give you one, man. Those energy drinks are $3 a pop, man.
Shit, I got $1 in my pocket. Come on, man. The last time I'm gonna be able to drink one in fucking some years.
You got on bond?
Yeah, stupid, man. They got me for felon in possession in my house. I haven't had a felony in over 5 years. What the fuck? No, really.
Hey, tell him we're not gonna take his knife, so his knife gotta stay here.
You're not just staying in the truck, right?
All right.
Uh-huh. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
You coming with me? So, is she already arrested? So, can we go to the side? So if she isn't here, we'll go this way. Okay. I'm Officer Chop. I work with Webster Police Department. Before I pat you down and get things out of your pocket, do you want to tell me something before? Because, let me talk first. Once you get into his car, you are now understanding that if you bring anything to the jail, it'll be another felony, whether it's a state jail felony, for bringing it into the correctional facility.
Yes, ma'am.
If you know you already have it, it's better to say it because I will change you out as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, I understand. I don't have. The only thing I have is my vape in this pocket, and my cell phone and a cell phone charger battery.
What's your choice of drug?
I used to use methamphetamines, but
What's your last?
the last use, it's been since before I went to prison.
Okay.
Common Center Call 25.
Okay. Oh, you went to prison?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna pat you down. I'm unsure if you're in custody yet. I don't know what if you are in custody. I don't know what you're in custody for.
They did say I had some warrants.
Okay. So we'll go from there. Okay. You mind if I you give me consent to search into your pockets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where do you have the warrants out? Do you know?
He said there was a couple. I think they're both traffic warrants that I missed going to court or paying on. One was for no insurance, and then one was for no registration or late registration.
So you can't take this in the jail, and I know how expensive these are. Do you want me to put it back in the car?
That'd be awesome if you could.
Okay, go to channel 2.
My husband has gotten to the phase of life in Jordans.
Over here off of is helping me in a village
I
drive.
cannot get myself to wear them. I'm like, no.
Actually, these are the only ones I like. And they're the least bulkiest.
Yeah.
I think that's why.
Yeah.
Water next to him, like
Okay. I don't know whose unit you're gonna go back on. Is that your boyfriend that's going to jail as well?
Yeah, he's not in me.
He's aggressive.
Do you know why he's going?
I do not.
Okay, possession of meth. I don't know if he's claimed it, but if he doesn't claim it, you can possibly be charged with it too because you're taking.
He had.
Yeah, he had. So, just stand right there. I'm gonna go put this back in the car and then we'll go from there. Actually, come back with some.
33-year-old Elizabeth Stoner was arrested on one felony count of first-degree possession of a controlled substance with the intent to distribute. She already had a drug-related felony conviction and now faces up to life behind bars if found guilty. Additionally, Jaden Coffey was arrested on similar charges and faces a similar fate if a jury finds him guilty.
You got it?
I'm trying.
All the way straight forward for me. All right, come on, ma'am. Straight forward through the side port. Over here, bud.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.